Welcome back. Today we're talking about recovery, the secret weapon for athletes, weekend warriors, and anyone wanting to feel their best. We focus so much on workouts and hustle, but real progress happens when we let our bodies repair and refuel. Nutrition is key. The right foods help mend tissues, reduce inflammation, and restore energy. Think of your body as a high-performance machine. It needs premium fuel to run at its best. Today, I'll break down 3 science-backed superfoods that can speed up your recovery. These are everyday foods you can start eating right now. Let's dive in. First up, blueberries. These little blue gems are more than just a tasty snack. They're one of nature's most powerful superfoods, packed with nutrients that can make a real difference in your health. These tiny fruits are antioxidant powerhouses, loaded with vitamin C and K, fiber, and especially anthocyanins, the compounds that give them their deep blue color and impressive health benefits. When you exercise hard or suffer an injury, your body produces free radicals, which can lead to oxidative stress and inflammation. This can slow down your recovery and leave you feeling sore or fatigued. Blueberries are packed with anthocyanins, which help neutralize those free radicals and control inflammation. This means they can actually help your body bounce back faster after tough workouts or minor injuries. Studies show that eating blueberries before and after workouts speeds up muscle recovery, reduces soreness, and may even improve your performance over time. But the benefits don't stop at your muscles. Blueberries also support your brain, heart, and skin, helping to keep your mind sharp, your heart healthy, and your skin glowing. They're incredibly versatile. Add them to oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies, or just snack on them straight from the freezer for a refreshing treat. Both fresh and frozen blueberries are equally nutritious, so you can enjoy them year-round. Just make sure to eat them regularly to get the most out of their health-boosting properties. Blueberries are a simple, delicious way to boost your body's natural repair process, making recovery easier and more enjoyable. Try meal prepping with blueberries or keeping a stash in your fridge or freezer so you always have them on hand for a quick, healthy boost. Make blueberries a staple in your recovery routine, and your body will thank you with better energy, faster healing, and a healthier you. Next, let's talk about salmon, a true recovery heavyweight. This vibrant, flavorful fish is more than just a delicious meal. It's a nutritional powerhouse that can make a real difference in how your body bounces back after intense activity. Wild-caught salmon is loaded with omega-3s, specifically EPA and DHA, which your body can't make on its own. These essential fats are crucial for athletes and anyone looking to support their body's natural healing process. These healthy fats reduce inflammation and help repair muscle after tough workouts. By lowering inflammation, omega-3s can ease muscle soreness and help you get back to training sooner. Omega-3s also strengthen cell membranes, making tissue repair more efficient. This means your muscles and joints recover faster, and your body is better protected against everyday wear and tear. Research shows athletes who eat more omega-3s have less soreness and recover faster. In fact, regular salmon consumption has been linked to improved joint health and reduced risk of injury. Plus, salmon is packed with high-quality protein, the building block for new muscle. Protein is essential for rebuilding muscle fibers and supporting overall strength gains. Aim for 2 to 3 servings of fatty fish like salmon each week. This simple habit can help you maintain a balanced diet and keep your recovery on track. Grill, bake, or flake it into salads. Just make it a regular part of your meal plan. Salmon is versatile and easy to prepare, so you can enjoy it in countless ways. Salmon delivers a 1-2 punch for faster, stronger recovery. Don't skip it. Your body will thank you for making this superfood a staple in your routine. Last up, spinach. This humble leafy green is often overlooked, but it's truly a nutritional powerhouse that deserves a spot in your daily routine. Spinach is a recovery superstar, packed with essential vitamins and minerals that help your body bounce back after stress, injury, or intense exercise. It's especially rich in vitamin C, which your body needs to make collagen, the framework for healing skin, tendons, and ligaments. Collagen is crucial for repairing tissues and keeping your body strong and resilient. Spinach is also loaded with vitamin K, which supports bone health and helps your blood clot properly, and magnesium, which is vital for muscle relaxation and reducing cramps or soreness. Plus, it's a great source of iron, which is essential for oxygen delivery to healing tissues and keeping your energy levels up. Spinach even contains natural nitrates, which boost blood flow and speed up nutrient delivery throughout your body. This means your muscles and tissues get what they need to recover faster. You can toss spinach in smoothies, sauté it with garlic, add it to omelets, or use it as a fresh salad base. It's incredibly versatile and easy to add to almost any meal. Even a big handful cooks down to a nutrient-packed boost, making it simple to get more greens without much effort. Spinach supports everything from wound healing to post-workout recovery and even helps maintain a healthy immune system. Make it a daily habit for stronger, faster healing. It's simple, affordable, and powerful, perfect for anyone looking to boost their health naturally. Don't underestimate this green giant. Spinach is one of nature's best-kept secrets for recovery and overall wellness. There you have it, blueberries, salmon, and spinach, 3 superfoods to power your recovery. What you eat truly impacts how quickly you bounce back from stress or injury. Try adding these foods to your meals this week and notice the difference in your energy and recovery. Your body is built to heal, give it the fuel it needs. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share your favorite recovery foods in the comments. Thanks for watching and investing in your health. See you next time.